I've been to Lidl's and done a shop, not a massive shop but a reasonably sized shop. I'll show you what I've got. Okay, for the fridge I've picked up some extra mature cheddar and some hot and spicy cheddar slices, some milk, semi-skimmed milk, some pate and some goat's cheese. One of these, oh my goodness, if you haven't tried these quiches, they are amazing. A cheese coleslaw, red pepper hummus, 2 of the Melton Mowbray pork pies, fruit wise and veg. I've picked up some curly cow, some nectarines, some carrots, green grapes, a great big swede and bananas. For the store cupboard I've got some sweet pickle and butter beans. I've also got some Spanish extra virgin olive oil and brown sauce, and 3 cans here of sardines in sunflower oil there to give the dogs. I've got a fresh chicken, a large fresh chicken, and a pack of the 4 Scotch beef steak quarter-pound burgers. Nail polish remover, which is acetone free, and some little cotton pads. Then over here I've got a low GI seeded loaf here, a couple of Belgian buns that we're going to have with a nice coffee any minute now. Some after eights, they're going to be going towards a present. I've got some fairy gel for the washing machine and some fabric softener. This is everything that I picked up, as I say, in Lidl's today.